Right, so a wee yelling device today. This is a JJ80 or a Javid Challenge. I think that's how you pronounce his name. Got this one off Tensile Spider, if I remember rightly. Whenever he sent me over some challenge locks from another member. So as you can see there, I've had it picked at least once. In fact, only once, but still. This one's got quite I have gutted it and I have looked inside it, so you know there's a pretty nasty bit of pinning going on in here, and I'll show you that later once we come to it. So everything's quite crunchy at the second. Nothing's truly wanting to set properly. Hold on, let me just, before we get too far in this, fix the light a wee bit better there for you. There you go, I think it was pin 3 and 4. One. There's 4 again, that's 5. It was a few nights ago since I picked this, so I can't really remember too much. I do remember one thing, and that is how to finish off the last pick. There we go, that was a good one. I think that was number 4 there, gave me that good bit of a set. Two there, and I lost my set, so I'll go back to 4 and see if I can't get it again. Five's wanting to give a bit of a turn there. 3, lost a few things again, go back and check 5. Test them on the way to the front there, back to pin 1. It's pin 1, but it's definitely not set. 4, drop back into a wee bit of a false set. 3 again, is that 3 giving me feedback there? I think it is, but yep, it definitely was. I think it's 5 again, wanting to see if I can get him out. It felt like 5 went okay. Oh, and a big false set, and just make sure I'm on pin 1 properly here. Don't know if you, in fact I'll try and show you that if I don't screw this up. See the size of the false set? Now, if I get lucky here, I will get this. If not, it's going to be like the other night was, and that is ages of back in like this false set, and it is pin 1. There we go, got him. And I'll show you why. And it took me quite the while to learn that. Haven't seen anybody else pick this yet or nothing, so whenever I was first doing that, I could not get out of that false set. Every time I went in, I actually think I thought it was pin 2 was giving me feedback, but I think what I was doing was I was trying to reach over, press pin 2, and pin 1 was touching the shaft of this, so every time I tried to set pin 2, you know, it's unsetting other things. But Every day's a school day, I suppose. See if I can. In fact, you know, I'm not even going to risk it with that. Just 1 wee second. Bring that in. Fix the camera there a bit. And I shall use these. Because last thing I want is for this all to lock up. Right, so I am going to get a shim. Like I say, I have seen the inside of this before, and I would rather take precautions. So we'll take the shim here and shove it down there till I hit the first few pins, and get the follower. Pin 1 just fell out. It's okay because I realised that was going to be the wrong way around. Oops. My shim didn't work too well there, guys. Whew. Well, that was annoying. Right, so let me see, where's pin 1? Thankfully I have had this done before, so in fact I know that's pin 1. And I know he goes in like, you know, I'll just stick pin 1 up here. Pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, 4, 5, 6. I have got it just before, so I'll be able to put it back together because I took photos that time. But there you go. See this huge gaping hole here at pin 1? Massive countermelon, slightly smaller than number 3, but that's what that full set was about. Let me just show you. He has oh great. He has this tiny little spool in that, so it was just, you know, the sharp edge is actually towards the bottom of the key whenever I had it, and this fat end was at the top. So that wee sharp lip there was just right down in this, and then that allowed it to get caught in the Bible. So pin 1 and 4 are done like that. And that's just, for now I'm just going to dump these, just 1, 2, 3. Like I say, I will be able to return it to normal because I've got a photo from a previous occasion where I didn't have to work around the camera and didn't mess it up. But for now, I'll just continue and get the last few in line. I'll put a photo up at the end actually of the orientation and how those are supposed to be. So there you go, sharp end of the shear line. That's another one of those weird spills. Another spill with a serration in the middle. And like offset spool style. And that should be it. Let me just bring it over. There you go, so some crazy ones. As you can see, actually, pin 1 is that thin that it seems to have bent. But some crazy serrations, weird spools, and yeah, just a lot going on. So I'll put a proper picture of the order up here at the end. But anyway, thanks for watching.